So hey guys, this is Ron. In this video I will show you how to get Camera2Api option enabled on your Android device. So first make sure your device must have router. If your device has router, has not routed, so do well. Further, before I made a video that is how to root any Android device. So I will leave a link in the description of that video. If you have done that, now first open Play Store and download the Drop app on your Android device. And scroll down and click on edit and paste these two lines and click on save and exit. Now reboot your Android device. Now open and check on your camera, manual camera. If you have all green ticks, then you rest got Camera2Api option.